Hey everyone, I'm Overland Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be upgrading the power outlets on my new four-wheel camper to better suit my needs. So I have the shell version of the four-wheel camper Hawk. This camper came with one 12-volt outlet and 4 USB outlets. In comparison, my 2008 four-wheel camper came with one 12-volt outlet, but it didn't come with any USB outlets. What my 2008 four-wheel camper did come with was a switch to turn off power to the outlet when it wasn't in use. This switch could also be used to turn on or off whatever device I happen to have plugged into the outlet. My 2008 camper also came with a basic battery monitor that told me whether or not my batteries were in a good, fair, or weak condition. This camper doesn't come with any means of checking the condition of the battery. So today I'm going to replace 2 of the USB outlets with a switch, and I'm going to replace the other USB outlets with one that has a built-in voltmeter. So the installation should be pretty straightforward. The first thing I need to do is kill the power supply. So now with this setup, not only am I able to monitor the resting voltage of my batteries, but I'm also able to see that they are receiving a charge from the truck's alternator. Well, I think that's probably one of the easier modifications I'm going to be doing to this camper. I hope that gave you some ideas. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.